TFNN. Headline News Update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN. A couple of important things to talk about. This is the Dow Jones Industrial Average over the last 2 years. The Dow Jones actual index itself came within 50 points of the high that we made in February of 2025. Okay, within 50 points. The futures contract, the YM, went above it by 110 points. It's now trading a couple hundred points under that, but this is a possibility, and believe me, it's still early, a possibility of this being a double top formation. Now, something else that's exciting happening, folks, that is very unusual. This is the chart of the NASDAQ, and this is chart of the Bitcoin. Bitcoin has rolled over, folks. It's already heading down, and NASDAQ is heading up. That's a very unusual. You notice it looked like this. The red line came down here. It does have divergences, but the fact that it's making this divergence means that it's something important. Look, this went higher by a little bit, but the correlation is very, very high. Okay, now we've got the beeper going on. Let's find out what's going on here with this. Oh, that's one of our trades that we had on today is working pretty good. We were short some natural gas, took some profits, and that's what's going on here now. We got a market still rallying today. The Russell is off a little bit. Hold on just 1 second. I've got to get back up here to make sure I don't miss anything, the things that I wanted to talk about, because we do have a very, very volatile market, and this is what we want to be watching here because of the fact that we've got so much going on, and we got a whole minute and 10 seconds left, so bear with me a second. And I wanted to bring up the chart of NVIDIA, and I think it's right here, ready to go. As you can see, here's where we are today. We've gone up and we've made a slightly higher high by 50 cents up in this area right here. If you look on the weekly basis here, I don't think it makes a whole lot of difference because this is a monster pattern that we're seeing here in the S&P, the NASDAQ, and also the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500. The Russell, of course, is far weaker right now, but still, still having a rally. You can see we had a tremendous drop in the Russell here today. In fact, it's almost to the 382 here, folks, at 2267. So keep an eye on that one. So that's what we're watching. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.